What is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another product review, and this time it's coming from a new brand called Genesis Garb. Genesis Garb is a premium street fashion clothing brand that specializes in jackets. They established their brand this year, so not much info about them out there. I received two items from them. One is a varsity jacket and one t-shirt. Well, I already opened both of them, so let's start this quick product review. For reference, I am 5'11" and weigh about 170 pounds with slim fit build, and I was convinced that their products are unisex. First, let's talk about this varsity jacket. The look and design is 10 out of 10. Love all embroidered patchwork from front and back. Jacket has a snap button closure. Got the traditional two-stripe design by the collar, hem, and wrist. Two big pockets on the sides, and the jacket does feel premium. Mostly made with 100% polyester, and the sleeves are made with polyurethane leather fabric. It's about $169 right now, and I believe this is a legit price. All I know is that this jacket is a solid, good-looking varsity jacket, and it indeed has that streetwear look. Judging by the look, it seems like an oversized. Well, one way to figure this out is to try it on. So let's go. Streetwear folks, help your man out here. Is this a good oversized silhouette? Let me know in the comment section below, but one thing I could tell you about wearing this jacket is that it doesn't feel heavy like I was expecting to be. Feels premium, and it's freaking warm. Definitely not a good time to wear this outside right now since it's 90 degrees and humid out there, but I can't wait for the fall winter season to rock this jacket. I really love the look, love the fabrics, but I'm still deciding whether or not to size them down because I don't often style streetwear stuff like that, and if I do, I don't go with this kind of oversized style. Like, this feels so baggy for me, but you have to keep in mind this is just my opinion. I know some streetwear folks out there would appreciate this baggy oversized fit. Overall, I have nothing much to say about this varsity jacket, but the Genesis Garb varsity jacket is a fine, trendy looking piece. All right, moving on to the next piece, we have this oversized graphic tee in black. Pick one up in medium size too, and this one has that glitch effect rabbit design. Cool design, no design at the back. It looks trendy, and by just touching the shirt, this t-shirt feels premium. I've had many t-shirts from the past, and I could tell which one feels cheap or not. And the Genesis Garb t-shirt fell into the category of premium shirt, and this only cost about $25. That's a good deal if you would ask me for some cool ass shirt. Anyways, let's try this on and see how it fits me. Okay, this one fit is okay. I love the length and the baggy feel. However, I am not a fan of the shoulder drops. Like, it's too big for me. But that's about it. I mean, this is something I would easily pair with short during summer season. The fabric feels good on my skin though. It indeed feels premium, but the sleeves kind of threw me off. So that's pretty much what I could talk about this shirt. All right, fellas, let's talk about my overall thoughts about the product that I received and about the Genesis Garb brand. Product-wise, I love both of them. Got nothing really to complain about those two, except that I'm gonna have to size down with the varsity jacket, and the sleeves for the t-shirt, it's kind of, again, threw me off. As for the brand, I know this brand got no reviews out there yet since it's new, and honestly, I was sketchy when they reached out to me, and I'm pretty sure you feel the same way. However, after trying the product on, I am honestly convinced that this brand is legit, and it does have a potential to exponentially grow in the streetwear market. I saw the website a month ago, and it was just straight varsity jacket and t-shirts. But now they seem like they are trying to add hoodies and sweaters, and you can customize the varsity jacket with the patchwork you like. Looks like they are progressing in the right direction, so I wish good luck to this brand. Well, that's my quick product review of the Genesis Garb streetwear brand. Hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please press the thumbs up, share if you can, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and want to see more product reviews and other men's fashion related stuff. That's it for me, guys. Stay sharp and stay stylish. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.